Hey, Rick here from MathLight. So I was in my pre-algebra classroom just this afternoon and teaching away, and the light bulb came on. You ever been there? That light bulb comes on? Well, usually we're thinking about our students, right, when that light bulb comes on. But you know what the light bulb was? It was for me. It was for a concept that just hit me in the middle of my teaching. So anyhow, I'm teaching lesson 1.3, subtracting integers. And what I would do is I take them through a progression. I tell them that subtraction is the adding of the opposite. And so what we have here is usually the examples on the right, and I'll have same as, and then I'll write these in as we go. And I'll do the first one, 10 plus, and then parentheses, -3, and then the second one, and the third one. But what I did today was something I hadn't done before, just hadn't even thought about it. And so what I did was I then took my electronic pen, and I boxed these in, and I said, hey, this is what you see. And then I took my pen and I boxed these in, and I told the students, hey, this is what you, and let me turn to write it, this is what you think. So this is what you see, this is what you think. If when you see this, you think this, you're going to be in great shape. So what's the point? Here's the point. We as math teachers, yeah, we have to show students how to do problems. But you know, we also have to teach them how to think. And for some students, it comes naturally. But for a lot of students, it doesn't come at all. If we expect them to have good thoughts and think that they'll have them altruistically all by themselves, we're kind of out there in left field. The reality is that we as instructors, we as teachers need to, even a lot of times, and whenever we can, supply our kids with what to think. Now you might say, well, you're making mindless robots. No, not at all. We're helping them to guide the thought process. Look, this is what teaching is all about. We're taking an individual and we're guiding their thinking. Now, what discipline is this more important in than mathematics? When you think about the nature of mathematics, well, we have to learn these processes to be able to come about the correct solution. And if we can help the students with the thinking process along the way, so much the more. I mean, don't we all teach steps and processes? Sure we do. And of course, we always hope that somewhere down the line, students begin to have the insight and the analytic ability to think beyond what we're teaching them and to think for themselves, and rightly so. But you know what? Along the way, we need to help them. They need some help. And we can help them by just black and white telling them what to think. Hey, when you see this, think this. And there's a lot of different areas in math where this applies, both in lower level math and upper level math. Here's what we're really trying to do. We're really trying to help them to understand, right? Now, I'm for some shortcuts, I'm for acronyms and such, but nothing beats basic understanding. And especially when we can lead them in what to think in an area of basic understanding. So I started off with saying, hey, isn't it amazing when the light bulb comes on? Well, this hit me today. And I know I've been doing this in numbers of areas, but I just never had the thought, I never thought on purpose that I was doing it. I always knew I was doing it, but I wasn't doing it on purpose. I thought, I got to start doing that on purpose. And here's my thought as well. I start doing this on purpose, then I'm going to see the students' light bulbs go on. And isn't that why we teach? And isn't that the joy of teaching? It is. Hey, let's help our kids by even teaching them what to think. All right, that's MathLight. Hope we've been a help to you.